I had some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.
My locks is getting longer. It's harder to get them flattened down and put my head on. So guys, we're doing another little car ride story time. So guys, I'm gonna tell another story because I said I was going to tell you guys another story of when a story about me and my Lily. Me and Lee, about like a romantic time that we had, or a nice event, or something nice that he did for me. And today is a very special story time to talk about him, because he has been going to school for some time, and he is now has his master's degree. So, I don't want to say what he has his master's degree in, because I don't want to really say too much about what he does. So I'm gonna kind of leave that alone. But he did achieve that, and I am so happy to say that he has completed his schooling, and I'm just so proud of him for that. First and foremost, I'm always proud of him anyway, but for that in particular. But to our story. So, one time, I'm trying to debate which story time should I tell, because I don't know which one I want to tell next, but all right, I'll go with this one. Okay, so it was a random day. I believe it was like a Saturday. At the time, I still was working, so, you know, we still always work like different shifts because of the kids and stuff like that. So, this particular Saturday, he was like, you know what, you should go and get your hair done. I was kind of going back and forth about it. He was like, yeah, go get your hair done and relax. I got the kids, blah, 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 blah. And, you know, and I'll take care of the kids. I'm like, okay, fine. Not nothing odd, our usual stuff. If I don't have the kids, he got the kids. It's not nothing special with that. So, while I'm getting my hair done, he kept like calling me as it was getting later. You know, when you go to a hairdresser, it takes forever to get your hair done, especially on a Saturday. And I was like, no, I'm almost done. And he was like, oh, you know, I had something special for you. I hope that we can do it, but we have to be there by a certain time. And I'm like, oh man, you know, like they taking long, blah blah blah. So I want to say, I don't remember, was this like Valentine's? This could have been Valentine's, but I'm not quite sure. Oh shoot. And I'm letting the car out. He can go the other way with his fucking turn signal on going away. I'm thinking that he's going. Anywho. So he said, I can't remember. I don't think it was Valentine's. I know y'all probably like, you always tell this story, but you don't ever remember half of the details. The little song, it could have been Valentine's, but I'm thinking it. I don't think that it was Valentine's. I don't think it was, but I know that it was cold. It was or was it cold? Okay, it wasn't cold, so it wasn't Valentine's. It was warm. Okay, so after I get done my hair, I come home, and he was like, okay, get dressed. You know, I'm taking you out, so put on something, you know, you might want to, you know, put something nice on, but don't take long because we have to hurry up and get to it, but you have to be somewhere at a certain time. So I was like, okay, well, first of all, you know, I'm always running late, but he already figured in the late time because he already knows that I'm going to be late. No matter if we got to be somewhere at 8, he tell me we really got to be there at 7 so we can really get there by 8. So, and every time I forget, so that usually helps out. Or sometimes he go a couple hours up just so we end up being there early if it's something that he needs to really be somewhere at. So I get ready, get dressed, put a little nice outfit on. I think I put a dress on that night. I'm not even sure. I'm sure I probably did. But anyway, I was dressed nice. I had my hair done. So, you know, I was just feeling good. I think I ended up getting my nails done because he was like, you know, just have a day for yourself. Go out and, you know, do a little pampering yourself and that kind of stuff. So I did. We get in the car, we drive. And we drive. And we get to this hotel. And when we get to this hotel, I was like, wow, like, what, we staying out? And he was like, yeah, we staying out all night. You know, Mama King got the kids. So, you know, we stayed out all night. So we're going to go to the hotel, have a nice night. And so I'm thinking like, I'm already thinking like, oh my God, this is so nice. And he's like, oh, but we're going somewhere before that. So we're going to go to dinner. So I wanted you to come in, see the room. Come in and see the room. And then we're going to go. So I'm thinking like, well, why do I need to come in and see the room? You know, because now I'm being nosy. Why do I need to come in and see the room? I'm like, I had never been to this particular hotel. It was actually called the End of the Dove. I don't know if it's in other places, but it's here and where we live at. And it's like a nice hotel where you know, where you go in. And anyway, so I go into the room. When I get into the room, there's roses in there, and inside the room has like a pool, where it has a jacuzzi and a pool inside the room, and like a little, I would say like a little bar area, not really like a bar, but like a little table set up on the side where you can sit over there or whatever. And then of course the bed is all in the room. So I'm like, oh, this is really nice. I always wanted to do this. Then I thought about like, how did you even know about this place? And he was like, I remember one time you told me that that's a place that you always wanted to go to. You never went. You never been there before. And I said, yeah, you're right, you know. So he like, okay, well, we're not gonna stay too long, so don't sit down and get comfortable because we gotta go, because we gotta be somewhere else. So I figured we go to a nice place for dinner. It's like, okay. So as we walk out the door, as we come into the door, I see a limo sitting out there. So I'm like laughing to him like, I wanted somebody like famous in that limousine or something, because the way it's just sitting there and nobody's getting out, the windows is not coming down, but it's like sitting there. We don't want people out here, and this limo is just sitting there. And I wonder who in it, like being nosy. I'm like, ah. So I'm keep looking back. He like, let's just go in the room, just go in the room. You know, let's stop being nosy. But he always telling me don't be nosy. So I didn't think nothing of it. So as I come out of the room, because we're leaving, I walk out the room. It's like, you know, a little walkway to walk to the driveway where the street is at. As I walk out of the thing, the man walks up to me. It's a red carpet, all the way walking all the way to the car, goes all the way to the car. The man walks up to me, hands me a rose, and tell me to come with him. And I'm looking like, what in the devil? And I'm like, oh my God, this is what's for us? So then I start laughing and get into the limousine. And we get into the limousine. I'm just like so excited, like, oh my God, this is so nice. This was like so unexpected. I just was so happy. And so then we get in there, it's like champagne in there and all that kind of stuff, a little bubbly. So we have a nice drink and we're driving. And so then I'm like, really get like, where are we going? So we drive over to Philadelphia to this really nice restaurant called Chris's Cafe. Now Chris's Cafe is a place in Philadelphia where it's like live music and like good food. And it was like, so we go there, it like pulls up, and it's so nice because we drove over the Ben Franklin Bridge, and it was at night, and it was just a nice ride in the limo. Because a lot of times, you know, you go places together, you know, me and Lee, and somebody's driving, so it's not like we really can engage in conversation or nothing like that. I mean, we talk, of course, but I mean, it's different when you're not driving, you're just sitting there, and it's just, you can look at each other, touch each other, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a different feeling when a person, neither one of us is worrying about traffic and driving, because we are, you know, talking and we're in the limo relaxing. So it was so nice. It was like a stretch. It was a stretch SUV limo. So it was like really nice. It was just me and him in there. It was so nice, guys. So then we get there, it's live music. It's like kind of like a jazz style of music. My nose is itching. A jazz style of music, and we had like shrimp, and I think I had steak because I always get steak. Although for whatever reason lately I haven't been eating it so much, but I love steak, especially if I pair it with seafood. That's like my favorite like thing to eat. And so I had it with like some shrimp, and the food was just, I mean, like real high cuisine. The food was so good, and we just had a nice old time laughing and talking. Then the limo comes back, picks us up, takes us back to the hotel, and then we stayed at night. You know, we stayed at night at the hotel. It was so freaking nice, man. So nice and nice. So that's my story time, guys. My little romantic evening. Like, just some of the things over the years that he has done. And yeah, that it was just so nice. And I'm gonna probably put it here, Chris's Cafe, somewhere in the video, or the, you know, near where I'm talking, or you know, the beginning or the end. Just so if you live in the area, you could check it out. Chris's Cafe. I don't even know if it's still around, and it may not even still be around because it's been some years ago now. But yeah, that was just a small little story time of a romantic time that I thought was like so romantic. It's something sweet that he did, that it wasn't a holiday. And I thought that, you know what, after I thought about it, it kind of fit like for now, because you know, a lot of people get so caught up because it's around Christmas, and it's a real big deal all around Christmas. And my husband says this all the time, you know, Christmas is just another day for me. It's not a big deal. Everybody makes a big deal of it. And I don't believe in just giving you guys stuff only on Christmas. I should be giving you guys stuff all throughout the year. And that's like his whole motto on it. I mean, we still celebrate Christmas and give the kids gifts, but it's not no big emphasis on it, you know, because we're adults. We don't save all our gifts until Christmas. If I want something, I'm very impatient, so is he. We're gonna go ahead and make it happen when we want it. So yeah. So now that I'm out here about to pick Mama King up, guys. Mama King, Nana, as we call her. Pick Mama King up. I don't think she sees me. So here she's coming out now with a, I don't know why she got a Santa hat on, but this lady, it is close to the holidays. I thought about putting Barney on too. That's the funniest thing. But she got a Santa hat on, so this is her. This is going to be her first Christmas without being at her job. So it's a little bit different because she likes to do stuff around the holidays with people at work, and she will buy cakes and stuff from people, and they exchange the gifts even when the jobs start to get funny. Because you know, jobs are so funny now, guys, where you know, you can't really give gifts and stuff no more because they act so funny. I'm looking to make sure I'm not, I had to put my hair just on, that's why I heard that blinking noise sound. And yeah, so this is like her first Christmas. So we're not doing nothing really special for Christmas this year. We're gonna probably be home and just around family. That's kind of like my thing. I just want, I said this for Thanksgiving, I just wanted peace and tranquility for everybody to be happy. If I could make one wish for Christmas for everybody, it's just for people to be at peace with themselves so that they can just spread happiness to other people. Like, if I could make a wish, that would be my wish. Just to spread love and joy and happiness all around to others. So let me unlock the door so she can get in. I'm doing a video. I see your Christmas hat. And it's the Eagles one too. Eagles, and we won this week. Sunday. Yeah. We won. Alright, so I'm gonna let y'all say hi to Mama King before I end it. So Nana's here with her Eagles Christmas hat on because of the Christmas spirit. Well, y'all all see my bling blingy bling. This ain't no Christmas hat, but the bling is all year round, and I love it like that. So all right, so I'm gonna end this so I can get on our day to what we doing. We going around getting some stuff for the kiddies as usual. All right, until next time, guys. Bye. Bye. Have a nice day. Hey guys, remember, like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. Let them know what Queen of Trades and the MKW crew is doing over here. Till the next time, bye.
I had have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.